noticed, I haven't posted a video in 2 weeks, which is like, I think the longest I've ever gone not posting. But I actually had pneumonia. It wasn't that serious or anything, like I didn't go to the hospital, but I was pretty much in bed for like 2 weeks straight, so that kind of sucked, and hence the lack of content on both Instagram and YouTube, and just kind of all around. But I am finally back at 100% again, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about all of the weird things that people will do to get the perfect Instagram photo. I feel like only like a very certain group of people is going to be able to relate to this, but I know you're out there. Comment down below if you've done any of the things in this video. Me personally, I do all of these things plus so much more to get Instagram photos that like look good, and honestly, it's really weird. I've done some super embarrassing, cringy, all around just obscure things to get a good photo. Not all of it is being mentioned in today's video, but of the few things that are, just know that you are not alone. I do them too. I know a lot of other people do them as well. By the way, if you are not already following me on Instagram, you should totally go ahead and do that. Here is a little bit of a sneak peek of my Instagram feed right now. Pretty colorful, very similar to like my whole video aesthetic. So if you like that, make sure to go ahead and follow me. It is at Ella_Elbells. So anyway, enough of me rambling. Without further ado, let's get started. Morning coffee. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, got it.
Oh my god, thank god, it is so cold. Okay, let me see. Hashtag feeling happy. Post. Spring vibes. Oh my god, Britt, pull over up there. What? Why? Those walls would go perfect with my Instagram feed.
The AT&T store?
Yeah, trust me, it's gonna look so cute. Go up there. Weekend activities. Thank you. Wait, don't eat. Just 1 second. Okay, you're good. Hashtag diner lunches. Post. Do you want this? Hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you were not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. As also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go and follow me, all of those. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!